This show is brought to you by
EIIC takes a further 7.6% stake in ADIB from Mubadala, and U.S. equity funds suffer $15.6 billion of outflows this week. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Emirates International Investment Company, the strategic investment arm of National Holding, has acquired a 7.6% stake in Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank from Mubadala Investment Company. This transaction brings EIIC's total shareholding in ADIB to 47%, signaling strong confidence in the prospects for the long-term growth of the UAE's second-largest Islamic lender by assets. EIIC has interests across diverse sectors, including banking, asset management, real estate, hospitality, fintech, as well as food and agriculture. ADIB, meanwhile, saw Q1 net profit rise 54% to $299.5 million. STC Group has invested over $933 million in social, health, and educational initiatives in recent years to empower both SMEs and NGOs. Through its ST Dama Technical Empowerment Program, STC supported 560 charities and nonprofit organizations across the kingdom through digital solutions. STC's Impact U program is another initiative that incubates entrepreneurs and startups in fields like sustainability, environment, and social responsibility. The group also launched the Yanmo platform to educate and rehabilitate students with disabilities. U.S. equity funds suffered massive outflows this week, hit by weak economic data and worries over a recession. Refinitiv data reveals U.S. equity funds saw $15.6 billion of outflows in the week to May 3rd. Q1 economic data painted a bleak outlook for the year as U.S. economic growth slowed more than expected. Simultaneously, the German economy also stagnated due to declining consumption. And in Asia, China's factory activity dipped in April, suggesting the manufacturing sector is losing momentum amid a bumpy post-COVID economic recovery. The pound rose to just shy of a one-year high against the dollar today and to a one-month high against the euro as traders eye the Bank of England's interest rate decision next week. Sterling was up 0.21% at $1.26 today, the highest since May last year. The euro was down 0.14% against the pound at 87.49 pence. Analysts say the pound was boosted after the Fed's 25 basis point interest rate hike this week. Tourists are ready to travel to Europe this summer despite the cost of living crisis. Both British Airways owner IAG and Air France-KLM have reported big summer bookings. The positive outlook is in line with rivals like Lufthansa and Ryanair. Those airlines have also reported strong bookings for the summer ahead. Air France-KLM saw Q1 revenue rise 42% to just under $7 billion and profit of $9.9 million, well above analysts' forecasts of a $200 million loss. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. Tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's wealthiest people. Our biggest loser today is once again Swiss logistics billionaire Klaus-Michael Kühne. He's down $4.2 billion and now has net wealth of $35.5 billion. Our second biggest loser today is LVMH's Bernard Arnault. He's down $2.2 billion with net wealth of $237 billion. And our third place loser is L'Oreal's François Bettencourt-Meyers. She's down $1.8 billion with net wealth of $92.7 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. And staying with Billionaires, Adidas saw a heavy Q1 loss of $43 million as it split with controversial American billionaire rapper Kanye West dragged it down. This compares to a profit of $531 million in Q1 2022. Operating profit was $66 million, down 85% from a year earlier, while sales were almost flat at $5.82 billion. However, the company suffered $441 million in lost earnings related to ending the production and sale of its highly successful Yeezy line, designed in collaboration with West. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.